In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to resolve the Minecraft connection timed out error. There are a few ways to go about fixing this, so let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the Start menu and typing CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as administrator. In the new window, type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns, and press enter. Once that's done, you can close this window. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel icon to open it. At the top right corner, make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, choose Change Adapter Settings. Find your active network connection typically labeled Wi-Fi and right-click on it. Select Properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Next, press Properties again. At the bottom, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now, enter these numbers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8. Click OK to save your changes, then close out of this window. The final step is to head back to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings at the top. Scroll all the way down and look for Minecraft in the list. Ensure both private and public are checked for Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher. You may also notice an entry for Java, which might be listed as Java or java.exe.exe. If it's there, make sure both private and public are selected for that as well. Once everything is checked and set up, click OK at the bottom. Now go ahead and try launching Minecraft again, and the connection issue should be resolved. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.